Welcome to Sedona, a journey of spirit, stone, and stewardship. This guide is crafted for the conscious traveler seeking to explore the American Southwest. Sedona holds a dual identity. It's a playground for high desert adventure and a sanctuary for deep spiritual healing. We invite you to step beyond the role of a tourist and enter as a guest, respecting the land, honoring its history, and truly connecting with the profound energy of the Red Rocks. Before we delve into Sedona's wonders, it's crucial to acknowledge and honor the indigenous homelands upon which we stand. All of America is considered indigenous homelands. Specifically, Sedona is the living heritage of the Yavapai Apache Nation, located in the Upper Verde Valley. This nation is a rich amalgamation of two historically distinct tribes, the Wipikipaya, or Yavapai, and the Dilshaye, or Tonto Apache. This region also has a deep traditional connection to 11 federally recognized tribes, including the Havasupai, Hopi, Hualapai, and Navajo, also known as Diné. When referring to indigenous peoples, Native American, or American Indian, are generally acceptable, with American Indian typically referring to the lower 48 and Native American being broader. Indigenous is often preferred, particularly for Native Hawaiians. However, the best practice is always to use an individual's specific tribal affiliation, such as citizen of the Yavapai Apache Nation, whenever possible. As travelers, we are guests on native lands, and it is imperative to follow cultural protocols to avoid inadvertently violating traditions. Our code of conduct emphasizes respect. First, regarding sacred objects, never pick up or remove rocks, artifacts, or any objects from the land. If you see something interesting, ask a local guide about it. Please do not take it home. Second, ceremonies. Religious ceremonies and burial grounds are private. Do not photograph, record, or intrude upon these sacred moments. And finally, respect Native peoples. Deeply appreciate patience, respect, and silence when it comes to spiritual teachings. Your mindful presence is the highest form of honor. One of Sedona's most captivating aspects is its vortexes. A vortex is defined as a center where the Earth's energy spirals and flows in a concentrated way, making Sedona one of the most spiritually charged destinations globally. Visitors often report distinct sensations when in these areas, such as tingling skin, vibrations in the ground, a subtle pull between shoulder blades, or even significant emotional release. The purpose of these sites is believed to promote healing, spiritual awareness, and clarity. You don't need to believe to feel the effects. Simply sitting in silence allows the energy to help reduce stress and bring a sense of peace. You can often feel an inflow or upflow of this spiraling earth energy. Sedona is home to 4 key energy sites, each with its unique characteristics. First, Cathedral Rock, known for its feminine energy, is receptive and calming, best for meditation, introspection, and emotional healing. Next, we have Bell Rock, which embodies a balanced energy, harmonizing both masculine and feminine. This site is ideal for grounding, centering, and balancing your energy. Airport Mesa radiates masculine energy, characterized by an upward flow and energizing properties. It's perfect for setting intentions, deep reflection, and gaining a higher perspective. Finally, Boynton Canyon offers a dual or balanced energy, providing a profound connection with nature spirits and fostering emotional clarity. Sedona has rightfully earned its reputation as a global hub for personal transformation and healing. There are various ways to immerse yourself. You can participate in retreat experiences such as shamanic journeys, which often involve soul recovery and medicine wheel ceremonies. For couples, there are specialized retreats focusing on relationship repair, often with personalized 2-on-1 sessions. Alternatively, you can opt for a la carte treatments like aura photography, which visualizes your energy fields, Reiki and sound healing, designed to clear energetic blockages, or breathwork, an intensive practice for releasing past trauma. For those seeking a tailored experience, Spirit Quest Sedona Retreats is a featured provider specializing in private, customized one-on-one retreats for holistic healing. Let's dive into an essential 3-day itinerary, starting with Day 1 themed around orientation and sunset. We recommend beginning your day at 8:00 a.m. with the Airport Mesa hike. Arrive early to beat the heat and hike to the scenic overlook to orient yourself to the stunning geography of the Red Rocks. By 12:00 p.m., head to Tlaquepaque Arts and Shopping Village. Explore the uptown galleries and this charming Spanish colonial village with its cobblestone paths. It's a cultural must-visit. As evening approaches, at 600 p.m., experience a breathtaking sunset. We suggest Sugarloaf Hill or Airport Mesa for the best views. For dinner, consider Café José Ardal and DeLuca for a delightful culinary experience. Day 2 of our essential 3-day itinerary focuses on the Red Rock heart of Sedona. Begin your day early at 600 a.m. with a sunrise hike on either the Bell Rock Loop or Cathedral Rock. A helpful tip: utilize the Sedona shuttle for Cathedral Rock, as parking is extremely limited. By 100 p.m., venture into Oak Creek Canyon. You can hike the West Fork Trail, known for its scenic stream crossings and towering canyon walls, or opt for a thrilling jeep tour to access more rugged terrain. As night falls, at 800 p.m., prepare for an unforgettable stargazing experience. Sedona is a designated dark sky community, offering unparalleled views of the cosmos. Consider a UFO or astronomy tour to fully appreciate the night sky. Our final day, Day 3, is themed around iconic views and valley vines. Start your morning at 700 a.m. with a hike to Devil's Bridge, the largest natural sandstone arch in the area. It's a moderate difficulty hike but offers an iconic photo opportunity you won't want to miss. In the afternoon, around 200 p.m., visit the architectural marvel of the Chapel of the Holy Cross, built directly into the buttes. Afterward, explore the Verde Valley Wine Trail, tasting local wines in Cottonwood or Cornville. For your closing dinner at 700 p.m., enjoy a final meal with a view at one of Sedona's charming creekside restaurants, reflecting on your incredible journey. In Sedona, the environment truly is the economy, and this principle has a rich legacy. Founded in 1972, Keep Sedona Beautiful, or KSB, was organized to prevent honky-tonk billboards and protect the area's pristine scenic views. Their key achievements include Sedona being designated as the 8th dark sky community in the world in 2014, a testament to their efforts in preserving our night skies. KSB also spearheaded noise abatement initiatives, establishing no-fly zones for helicopters to maintain the area's tranquility. Furthermore, their Litter Lifters program has been active for over 50 years, ensuring that roadsides remain clean and beautiful for everyone. Preserving the wonder of Sedona faces modern environmental challenges, notably the OHV, or off-highway vehicle, crisis. The explosion of OHV rentals has unfortunately caused increased noise and dust in residential areas. As a visitor, your action is simple: always stay on designated trails. KSB itself is a certified silver innovator, with their EcoHub renovation serving as a model for sustainable living, complete with solar panels. Your role as a visitor is crucial: be a steward. Remember to pack it in and pack it out, leaving no trace behind. The high desert ecosystem of Sedona is incredibly fragile, and your mindfulness makes all the difference. When planning your visit, choosing the right base camp is key. For luxury and wellness, consider Enchantment Resort, which offers exclusive access to Boynton Canyon, or L'Auberge de Sedona, known for its creekside luxury. In the mid-range and boutique category, Sky Ranch Lodge provides some of the best views of town from Airport Mesa, while El Portal offers an arts and crafts style and is highly pet-friendly. For budget and adventure-oriented travelers, the Southwest Inn provides West Sedona convenience with cozy kiva fireplaces. Alternatively, camping in Oak Creek Canyon or dispersed camping, after checking permissions on platforms like The Dirt, offers a rugged experience. Planning your visit to Sedona also involves understanding logistics and seasons. Spring, from March to May, brings wildflowers and comfortable 70-degree Fahrenheit temperatures, but also high crowds. Summer can be hot, exceeding 90 degrees, with monsoons bringing lightning and rain. Fall, from September to November, offers changing leaves, crisp air, and ideal hiking conditions. Winter is quiet, with a chance of snow on the Red Rocks, creating a magical landscape. For getting around, a car rental offers the most flexibility. However, the Sedona shuttle is crucial for popular trailheads like Cathedral Rock and Soldier Pass, where parking is often closed. If flying into Phoenix, the Phoenix Sky Train connects the PHX airport directly to the rental car center, making your arrival smooth. As we conclude, remember that your journey to Sedona is often a journey inward. As C.S. Lewis wisely noted, "There's only one soul in all of creation you can truly know, and it's the only one whose fate is placed in your hands." Whether you seek the adrenaline of a Jeep tour or the profound silence of a vortex, Sedona asks only one thing in return: that you leave it as beautiful as you found it. May your experience be transformative and deeply respectful. For your convenience and further exploration, here are some valuable resources and credits. For cultural and environmental insights, please visit Keep Sedona Beautiful at keepsedonabeautiful.org, National Park Express for cultural protocols, and learn more about the Yavapai Apache Nation. For itinerary planning and guides, we recommend Nomadasaurus for The Perfect 3 Days in Sedona, and the Mandagis for their Sedona 3-day itinerary, along with Sedona.net. And for wellness and tours, consider Spirit Quest Sedona Retreats, as Safari Jeep Tours or Pink Jeep Tours for adventure, and the Sedona Shuttle service for easy transportation.